Peace be upon you and welcome to the final revelation series where I'll be summarizing the contents of the Qur'an. So what is the Qur'an? Well, much can be said about what it is, but if you follow along in this series, then you will find that the Qur'an speaks for itself in explaining what it is. And no matter who you are, wherever you are, the Qur'an speaks to you in powerful ways. An important point to mention though is that the Qur'an is believed to be the actual words of God, and in its original revelation in the Arabic language, it has been completely preserved to this day. The hope is that by knowing some of what is contained in the Qur'an, it will spark your interest into reading the entire book in a language that you understand, and indeed it has been translated in most, if not all, languages of the world. The structure for this series will be based on the section structure of the Qur'an, which is that the entire Qur'an has been organized into 30 equal sections, facilitating the ease of reading it one section per day for 30 days, which is typically how it is read in the month of Ramadan. So each short video will be covering one section. Now, the contents I have noted are based on my own reading of an entire translation in English. Any mistakes therefore are from me and can be corrected by those greater in knowledge. And what better time for this series than the month of its revelation, the month of Ramadan itself? And what better place for this series than in the lands of its revelation, starting right here behind me on the mountain of light in the city of Makkah in modern day Saudi Arabia. Let's now begin the series in the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful.